Hello, brilliant minds. Did you know that our brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text? Yes, you heard that right. In a world overflowing with information, visual aids are not just supplementary elements, but powerful tools that can make your essays stand out and resonate with your readers on a whole new level. Welcome to today's lecture where we will unlock the secrets to crafting the perfect visual aids for your essays. Visual aids can be a powerful tool to augment your essay's impact and deliver a compelling narrative. There are a plethora of options to choose from, but today we will focus on the most effective ones, namely charts and graphs, tables, diagrams, photographs and images, and infographics. Now let's go deeper into each one of these. Starting with charts and graphs. You can use bar graphs for comparisons, line graphs to depict trends, and pie charts to represent percentages. Always remember to keep them simple, labeled correctly, and visually appealing. Next up are tables. Tables can succinctly present data without cluttering your essay. Make sure the tables are well structured with clear row and column headers. Moving on to diagrams. Flow diagrams can be your best friend when explaining a process step by step, while Venn diagrams beautifully illustrate the similarities and differences between two subjects. Then we have photographs and images. A well-chosen image can speak 1,000 words. Whether it's a historical photograph or a vibrant illustration, ensure it is high resolution and appropriately cited. Lastly, we have the multi-talented infographics. They are essentially a visual representation of information, helping your audience grasp complex concepts quickly and clearly. Before we conclude, here are a few golden tips for creating engaging visual aids. Keep it simple. Avoid overcrowding your visuals. Simplicity is the key to retention. Consistency. Maintain a cohesive color scheme and font style to create a harmonized look. High quality images. Ensure all images and graphics are of high quality to maintain professionalism. And citations. Always cite the source of your visuals or the information in your visuals, respecting intellectual property rights. So let's wrap this up. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Using visual aids not only enriches your essay, but also makes it a delightful experience for your readers. So don't shy away from experimenting with different types of visuals so you can find what works best for your narrative. Thanks for joining today, and I look forward to seeing your essays come to life with vibrant and effective visual aids. Keep creating and keep inspiring.